I've been on Facebook since 2012 and WhatsApp since 2015. I like it a lot. I like talking to people. I like being in discussion groups. I like posting things to show what I'm doing, see what everyone else is doing. The haircuts, the way they don't paint themselves anymore, you see the outside influence. The young people are not thinking more about learning their own culture. The two things I really noticed that are neglected are our music and our stories.
When I see the young people who are using the technology and they're connecting to the world, they can tell us what's happening in that world outside. The miners, the loggers, the threats that are coming, all of that's good.
All our relatives, the indigenous peoples of Brazil, have lost their culture. They will never get that back. That's what our fight is. We must make sure that when new technology is introduced, it doesn't destroy at the same time.